Welcome back to Credence Hub. Today's episode is very special. We're going to dive into the top 7 future-proof skills that will be highly in demand in the USA. In 2025, not only these skills will help you stay ahead of the curve, but they will also bring high income and job security. So whether you're a student considering your career options or a professional looking to upskill, this episode is for you. Now, before we jump in, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered what skills will be in demand in the near future? If you have, then congratulations. You have come to the right place, because today, I am here to share with you my list of the top 7 future-proof skills. So without further ado, let's get started. Top 7 future-proof skills in USA 2025. Number 1, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming industries and changing the way we live and work. According to a recent report by LinkedIn, AI jobs are growing at 75% faster than other jobs. This means that there is a huge demand for skilled professionals in this field, and the trend is only going to grow in the coming years. Some examples of AI-related jobs include AI developer, prompt engineer, automation expert, etc. The salary range for these roles in the U.S. is $100,000 to $300,000 annually. Now, let's see how you can learn these skills. There are many online courses and certifications available to help you get started. For example, you can check out Coursera, edX, Udemy, and Google's machine learning crash course. So if you want to be part of the AI revolution and secure a high-paying job in the future, then learning AI and ML is definitely worth considering. No, 2, cybersecurity. As our reliance on technology continues to grow, so does the need to protect our data and systems from cyber threats. In fact, according to the Cybersecurity Ventures, there will be 3.5 million unfilled jobs in the cybersecurity industry by 2025. Companies are investing billions of dollars to safeguard their networks and customer data. From protecting against malware and phishing attacks to ensuring compliance with data regulations, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is constantly on the rise. If you are interested in this field, you can start by taking online courses in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, risk management, etc. There are also several certifications available that can help you stand out in the job market. So if you are someone who enjoys problem solving and has an interest in technology, then a career in cybersecurity may be the perfect fit for you. No. 3. Data science and analytics. In today's data-driven world, every business is looking for ways to leverage data to improve their operations and make better decisions. This means that there will always be a need for skilled data scientists and analysts who can extract meaningful insights from raw data. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data scientist in the USA is $125,000 per year. Now let's talk about the tools you need to learn. To become a data scientist or analyst, you need to learn programming languages like Python and R, database management with SQL, data visualization with Tableau, and more. Fortunately, there are plenty of online resources and courses available to help you develop these skills. So if you're interested in data science and analytics, it's definitely a field worth exploring. Number 4, digital marketing. Digital marketing is another field that is constantly evolving and growing. With the rise of social media and e-commerce, businesses need to have a strong online presence to succeed. This means that there is a huge demand for digital marketers who can help businesses reach their target audience. Through various channels such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, paid ads, and more, according to ZipRecruiter, the average annual salary for a digital marketer in the USA is around $130,000. Many small businesses in the USA are looking for cost-effective ways to market their products and services, and this is where you can help them. So if you're creative and have a passion for marketing, then digital marketing is a great field to consider. Number 5, cloud computing. Cloud computing is one of the fastest-growing fields in technology, and it's not going anywhere in the near future. In fact, according to Forbes, cloud computing is expected to be a $1 trillion industry by 2025. This means that there will be a huge demand for skilled cloud professionals who can help businesses leverage the cloud to their advantage. Some examples of cloud-related jobs include cloud architect, cloud engineer, and cloud security specialist, according to Dice's latest tech salary report. Cloud is the top-paying IT skill for 2025. The average salary for a cloud architect is $156,000 per year in the United States. Now let's talk about some popular cloud platforms. There are several cloud platforms available, including Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs. Fortunately, there are plenty of online resources and courses available to help you learn the skills you need to succeed in cloud computing. So if you're interested in this field, then it's definitely something to explore. Number 6. Content creation and YouTube automation. We all know that content is king, and it's no secret that YouTube is one of the most popular platforms out there. But did you know that you can actually make a full-time income from creating YouTube videos? According to a recent survey, top creators in the USA make over 6 figures annually. But wait, you don't need to be a big YouTuber to make money. Even with a small channel, you can still earn a decent amount through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. In addition to YouTube, you can also explore other content creation platforms like TikTok and podcasting. All you need to do is pick a niche, create valuable content consistently, and monetize your channel. While there's no guarantee of success, it's definitely worth trying if you have a passion for content creation. There's no barrier to entry, and with the right mindset and work ethic, you can turn your hobby into a profitable business. 7. Financial literacy and investing. It's no surprise that financial literacy is an essential skill in today's world. Whether you're a student, young professional, or anyone looking to secure their future, understanding the basics of finance can set you up for success. According to a recent study by the FINRA Foundation, only 24% of U.S. adults are financially literate. This means that there is a huge gap in the market for people who understand the stock market, cryptocurrencies, and real estate. By learning about investing and financial markets, you can make informed decisions about your own finances and potentially grow your wealth over time. One way to improve your financial literacy is by taking online courses or reading books on personal finance and investing. There are also several communities and groups where you can connect with other investors and learn from their experiences. So if you're looking for a skill that can benefit you in the long run, financial literacy and investing are definitely worth considering. So there you have it, folks. The top 7 future-proof skills that will be in demand in the USA in 2025. Whether you choose to pursue a career in AI and ML, cybersecurity, data science, digital marketing, cloud computing, content creation, or financial literacy, you can rest assured that you are investing in your future. Now let's do a quick recap of all 7 skills. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. 2. Cybersecurity. 3. Data science and analytics. 4. Digital marketing. 5. Cloud computing. 6. Content creation and YouTube automation. 7. Financial literacy and investing. Now I want to hear from you. Which skill are you planning to learn in 2025? Comment below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more insightful business and career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.